Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Now remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they have to evacuate immediately. So these are not to be messed around with. If you tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested. And if it's at school, you are going to get suspended and expelled and grounded by your parents. And if it's at work, you are going to get fired from your job. If you tamper with fire alarms in any public building, you are going to be kicked out and you will never be allowed to come back. So, this is not a joke. This is very serious stuff. Do not ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. Never pull the fire alarm for fun. Or do anything like that. You never take it off the wall or the ceiling. You never smash the fire alarm. If you smash the fire alarm, you are going to get in big trouble because you are responsible for replacing that because you're the one who broke it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you smashed it. It is your job to replace that. So you will have to pay the money for a new alarm because you're the one who broke it. So let's not face any of those consequences. You are in complete control whether or not that happens. So let's not make it happen. But remember, you are in control whether or not that happens or not. It is your responsibility to make sure that you don't smash the fire alarm or pull the fire alarm for fun. I am not responsible for your actions if you pull a false fire alarm or if you break the fire alarm. Don't do it. Bye.